By supporting this year's Giving Day, you will help upgrade fencing along the north side of the school to a combination of masonry and wood slatted fencing. By contributing to this fencing project, you are doing far more than providing security. You are helping us create 4 beautiful outdoor learning spaces where faith comes alive: a peaceful shrine to Our Lady of Loretto, a reflective hammock garden, a thriving food forest, and an interactive student garden. These sacred spaces will become outdoor classrooms where children experience the beauty of God's creation, discover wonder in nature, deepen their relationship with Christ, and find quiet moments of prayer and reflection. The Loretto sisters believe that education transforms lives. Together, we can honor their vision by creating spaces that inspire the hearts, minds, and souls of every student at St. Simon and Jude for generations to come. Please consider making a gift today. Together, we can build a campus that reflects our faith, celebrates our history, and nurtures the future of St. Simon and Jude Cathedral School.